she's just being crazy. Welcome back to our channel. What are we doing today, Aria?
Crap! We're doing a food challenge.
Ooh.
Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe our videos. Okay, let's get on to it. I'm gonna open it, Aria. Okay?
Yummy!
Oh, yeah.
Pour it all out. There.
We got some
grapes,
some
a
orange
and an apple
and a strawberry.
Yellow is a lemon. Remember last episode? I tasted lemon. I said I take it back. Lemons are not sour. Sometimes it pops into your mouth. Let's see, just pop into your mouth
Or make a big mess.
or pop or make a big mess. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
It's so cold.
You got it!
Where did it pop? It popped in my mouth. How far did it pop? It didn't pop. It just made a hole.
It tastes good.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
It tastes like
Is it super
bread
sweet?
cake.
It's super sweet. Super sweet. It tastes like grape.
This tastes like lemon cake.
And grape to grapes. It tastes like grapes with sugar on them.
Okay, I choose. I just do this.
Yeah, hope to pick apple.
Because you wanted this one because you love apples.
Okay, choose again.
Alright,
No, choose again. Choose again.
I made you get it. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Oh no, this one feels like it's gonna make a pop and make a big mess. It made a big mess. Wow, what did it do? It popped and made a big mess.
Oh my god!
It popped and made a big mess. It popped in your mouth.
What did it feel like?
It felt like.
And then it went back up.
Oh my god!
Okay, I used to chose apple. Let me taste. Can I taste? Let me taste.
It popped in my mouth.
Be careful. Orange was not a great choice. That's a good.
Guys, this was so
Struggling. Okay. I'll choose again. No grape. Wait, one grape. Just make it all. Yes.
Last one!
Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's good.
It all get out!
Mine popped to my mouth.
Yeah,
That
what's it
it
taste like?
almost choked me. It made a giant hole and all of it popped out, right? So we gotta be careful using these. Don't take a big bite or else it pops to your mouth or it pops and make a big mess.
Thank you guys. Sorry, it was a short video, but bye.
Bye.
It's okay.
You'll see more videos. Like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.
a goat.